Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable facecam on Roblox. To enable facecam, you have to first of all go to three dot, then go to settings. You have to follow the same steps on mobile as well. Now click on privacy. Now once you're in the privacy, to enable facecam, you just need to come here, and at this point you can see there is a camera permission. To just enable this use camera to animate your avatar movements, you have to enable this permission by clicking on this toggle button, enable it, and now you have to click on this enable button. So it by clicking on enable, you allowing Roblox to use your camera. So just click on it. Once you click on it, now you just need to come out of this and open any game that supports camera as communication. Like this is one of the game that supports camera and communication. Now once the game is open, now you just need to click on this Roblox icon, or you can click on this video icon at the top of the Roblox head or the avatar head. You can see this. Click on it, and by clicking on it, you will get this face cam. Fine. As you can see, this face cam, you can keep this face cam anywhere you want, and it will start tracking your face as well. So if you there's another way to enable it. Just click on this Roblox icon and click on this face icon to get this face cam. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.